All right. Hello everyone. So next lesson in law enforcement here, we have the main roles of police. So the three main roles, the main focuses are patrol, investigation, and order maintenance. So patrol is all this right here. So patrol is the most common police function, and it simultaneously focuses on two things. It's both preventative and reactive. So preventative meaning it stops crime before it happens, and then reactive, it is responding to crime after it happens. So some examples are driving through neighborhoods as well as responding to 911 calls. But why patrol matters? Patrol officers are first to the response as well as the most visible, and they're most important for prevention because they're right there on the front lines, guys. So, yep. Continuing on, investigation is done by detectives. What they do is they gather evidence, interview witnesses, and they solve crimes to figure out what happened. And then order maintenance, this is done by the police. It helps them maintain public safety and community order, as well as some examples, just handling disputes, as well as crowd control. So it's a quick little lesson, nothing too complex for this, just a little bit of another overview of police functions. So please like, subscribe, share with people who are in need of CLEP or DSST help, and have a nice day.